Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video we are going to be creating this eyeshadow look right here, and to create this look I used the So Jaded palette by Kathleen and Colourpop. The first shade that I am going to use as a transition shade is You're a Gem. This is a beautiful kind of soft peachy shade, and I think it's very beautiful as a transition shade. So I am applying that in my crease area, just kind of all over the place, not really on the lid, because we are going to apply other shadows on top of that. The next shade that I'm going to apply is the shade Garnet. It is kind of like a mauve-y. It comes off darker on your eyelid than it looks on the palette. And I'm applying this on the outer third of my eyelid. So the shade that I am applying on my lid is the shade Fluorite, which is a lavender shimmer shade, and I am applying it with this shader brush. I didn't really like how it was coming out. I felt like it wasn't giving me too much color payoff, so I went in with my finger after this and it applied a little bit better. I still wasn't too happy about it, but it applied a little bit better with my finger. After this though, because I did want it to have more of a shimmery effect, I dampened the shadow brush and I applied on top just a little bit more of that eyeshadow. And I also deepened my outer crease a little bit more with the Garnet shade once again, to just also blend those shades together. For the inner corner highlight, I am taking the shade Pearl and I am applying it with this Morphe detail brush. After that, I am going to wipe off all of the fallout and apply concealer to my under eye to correct. And then we're going to go ahead and work on the lower lash line. To the lower lash line, I'm going to apply the shade Garnet with a very tight packed brush because I want this color to be pretty deep. And then I'm going to pick up the shade Your Gem once again, and I am going to blend out that Garnet shade with this Morphe blending brush. Taking Garnet once again, I am going to take this detail brush and just really deepen up that center right there with the Garnet shade to make it pop just a little bit more, because it kind of faded with the You're a Gem shade. So after that, I lined my waterline with the Marc Jacobs pencil in Fine Wine. So this is the finished eyeshadow look, you guys. Now I am going to go ahead and apply my lashes and mascara, and this is the final look. The lashes that I used were the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. They're so stunning, so beautiful, and I love how this wine colored waterline shade just really kind of brought everything together. So after this, I just wanted to deepen once again the outer corner with the garnet shade. So I'm just gonna go in and apply just a bit more eyeshadow. I am really enjoying these videos because they're super easy for me to do, super quick to edit, because we all know that editing is a lot of work. And so, you know, sometimes it's very tedious and I just don't, you know, editing a whole video is a lot of work. So this just makes it easier for me to edit since they're so short. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys next time. Here's the finished look once again. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.